think we are live. Yeah. Okay, so my internet is restored and I'm live again. So let's begin. Without wasting any time, I think we have to do. Okay. Yeah, I was selecting something based on name. All elements of a binary search tree. I think I've done this. I think recently only. Yeah, that I got it. Okay, nice pairs and array. OTT platform St. John. Yes, the question's title seems too good. We have been given an array nums that consists of non-negative integers. Let's define rev of x as the reverse of the non-negative integer. Okay, reversing the number. Okay, 1 to 3 goes to 3 to 1. Okay, and latent zeros do not follow. Like 120 becomes 21. Pair of indices is nice if it satisfies all the following condition. Okay, j must be greater than I, and nums I plus reverse of nums should be nums j plus reverse of I. Return the number of nice pairs modulo 10 to power 9 plus 7. Okay. Or in case we can say that nums I minus reverse of nums I should be equal to nums j minus reverse of nums j. Isn't it like two-sum problem? Like we just modifying the equation given there. I think yes, like for example 42 minus 24 will be 18, 11 minus 11 will be 0, 1 minus 1 will be 0, 97 minus 74 will be 97 minus 70. Okay, 97 minus 79 will be 18. So 1 is there. Yeah, and 0 is there. Okay, got it. It is a like simple two-sum problem. So we have map integer hm hash map and let's say we have int answer equal to 0, int mod equal to 10 to the power 9 plus 7, 1 9 plus 7, and let's dive into the array. Just int element is here is x plus reverse of x. If the map contains, or let's say answer equal to answer plus hm get or default, if let's say this element do not exist, 0, and we have mod of this. Let's say it to be long. Otherwise we may run into some overflowing condition. Yeah, and then hm dot puts le hm dot get or default le comma 0 and plus 1, and we will be returning integer of answer. Also we need to implement that reverse function in, let's say n, and in answer equal to 0, and while n is greater than 0, digit will be n mod 10, answer will be answer multiplied by 10 plus digit, n will be divided by 10 each time, and we will be returning answer. I think that's it. Okay, wrong answer is 0 0. Wrong answer should not exist. Okay, let's say what are the elements that we are doing. X plus element that is forming after that reverse thing, and let's also print the map. are printing that 4266. Okay, it will be minus, sorry. Yeah, that price was omitted, and I think yeah, it got accepted. Even though we okay, I've done this in June of last year. Okay, the question was pretty impressive, but we beat it only 70% of the submission. Let's see what fast submissions are doing there. Okay, the reverse function is same, map is same. For nums length a equal to nums I, b equal to reverse of a. Okay, they are pre-calculating. Yeah, that's is all also a way, but yeah, our solution is a kind of linear thing, and I think that's good. Okay, next. Okay, EMI seems to be a good thing as far as like this is, but where is this? Like I will do it at last. Like I don't like doing the Slack question because mostly the problem statement is not very good, or maybe I should not say that, but sometimes questions are quite illogical also. Okay, initial public offering. Okay, very good questions as far as Goldman is concerned. Okay, only 91 dislikes. Actually hard to know. Okay, suppose lead code will start as IPO soon. I think it's never going to do that because I don't think that their revenue is that much. Anyway, continue to our question. In order to sell a good price of its shares to venture capital, lead code would like to work on some project to increase its capital before the IPO. Okay, since it has limited resources, it can only finish at most k distinct projects before the IPO. Have lead codes to design the best way to maximize total capital after finishing at most k distinct projects. You are given n projects. The ith project has a pure profit of ith project has a pure profit of profits I and the minimum capital of capital I is needed. Initially, you have W capital. When you finish a project, you obtain the pure profit, and the profit will be added to your capital. Pick a list of at most k distinct project and from the given project to maximize your final capital. Okay, isn't it like that thing 01 knapsack or so? Not necessarily like that, but somewhat close. Okay, profits are 1 2 3 and capital is 0 1 1. Okay, so we will always try to pick such a thing that okay, that would require it will be minus or not the capital needed. Okay, so initial you can only start okay after you can okay with capital 1 you can either start project and text at 1 or 2. Since you can choose at most 2 project, you need to finish the project. Next so your final capital will be 0 plus 1 plus 3. Okay, so that capital will not go anywhere okay. Okay, so at any instant we will try to pick a project so that we can like pick it. That is our what to say, our capital is more than the required thing, more than or equal to, and the profit is the highest among them. Interesting. How many projects we can have? Okay, 10 to the power 5 projects. let's say we sort a project based on the capital requirement. On capital requirement also, yeah, capital requirement will be a thing, and we can iterate for the project that we can afford and pick the maximum one, and as soon as we pick it, we can immediately discard it from our from the set of projects that we are considering. And yeah, likewise we can follow. Seems good. Okay, so we have to create a kind of priority queue for that, like it would be PC. Okay, so okay, firstly we will be sorting the thing. Let's say to be a int a name and int 2. What is n, they don't know, so just start p dot length. Let's down this console. It will be pfi, yeah, pfi, and at first index we will have in the weight. Oh no, sorry, weight. It's the capital required, and then we will sort this array based on the capital required. Comparator, it's an integer array, so public int compare int x and int y, and we will be returning x1 minus y1. Yeah, now we will have a priority queue of type integer pq new priority queue dot. Okay, so it will be again a custom comparator type integer integer x and integer y. So we'll be returning the highest project first, so a of x of g, the project with highest cost first, 1 minus a of x of 0. I think that should work. End will be 0 and profit equal to 0. Okay, so while end is less than n, okay, so we'll add the project that we can consider while end is less than n, and a of end of 1 is less than or equal to our current capital, so that will be w, no? Yeah, w. We will add that to our priority queue and increase the end. And now we will okay, so if pq is empty, we will simply break, otherwise temp we will remove the thing, and our w will increase, not profit here. Will increase by a of temp of 0, and we will return w at last, and also n need to be increased. Okay, not increased. Okay, so it work for 2 cases. Try to submit it. 13 cases. Okay, so only 1 can be there, and we are returning 6. 0 1 2, and we have current 0 1 3. We can make an on the 6, no? Okay. Int count, and then count should be also less than k, because we can pick at most k things or k project. Okay, now let's to try run. Okay, sorry on it. Okay, no, wrong answer. On 14th case, the very next test case, they're expecting much more than they're expecting something around 126,000, and we are attending 2700 something. Move this to test case again. I think that this is good. Let's try to do one. Like it's the priority queue comparator is somewhat confusing for me. I should run it once. Case 1. Okay. Never mind, this was correct. Don't think like I can't find where we got wrong. While n is less than n and a of n comma 1 is less than w, we are simply adding it. Okay. This count which we picked one project and okay, got it. Let's say we move to the end of list with all the capital we had, and there are some like project that are still need to be considered. We will increase the count, and then we will pq.remove a of 0. Still we didn't followed. Somewhat close, but not exactly. Why should we do that? Like we can pick 12 projects, no? 111 projects. From that we can do a profit of 126,000. Somewhere we're getting wrong. This thing is good. We are like sorting based on the capital required. Again, good. Then we are okay. What is this? This is the, I think. Here we are getting wrong. Got it. This should be y. No. For case 1 we are getting answer is 3. Let's say this to be minus and this to be plus. Got it. The issue was in our comparator. Anyway, and we will get past. We beat like 78% of the submissions, and in memory 95% of them. That's good. Okay, so